Hi guys, my name is Siddesh Tambe, student of EXTC, Viva Institute of Technology. Today we explain our MA project that is RFID based attendance system. Our team members are Vikas Raut, Sankesh Semankar, Siddesh Tambe, Sanjit Vaz and Ganesh Bage. And our project done under guidance of Nutan Malekar ma'am.
Okay, so now on to the introduction. Attendance in colleges is generally paper based, which may sometimes cause errors. Taking attendance manually consumes more time, so the proposed attendance system uses RFID technology to take attendance. We have implemented RFID based attendance systems projects using 8051. The main functionality of this project is to verify the identity and attendance of the user who needs to access through RFID. The student will be asked to place his card on the RFID reader. In our position, we will use virtual terminal as a reader. If the card is registered before, the user will be registered and the motor will be triggered to on. Secondly, if the user's card is not registered in the system will reject his or her access and he or she will be given another chance. And also the buzzer will be on too.
In this circuit, we have used microcontroller, power supply, DC motor, buzzer and LCD display. So let us see first connection part of LCD with microcontroller. We have connected 4 data lines and 3 control lines of LCD to port 1. You may be thinking why we have connected only 4 data lines instead of 8 data lines, because we want to use this LCD in 4-bit mode. This LCD will display message to user. As you can see here, buzzer and DC motor is connected to port 2 and RFID reader is connected to port 3. The buzzer will on if card who is not in the system is placed on the reader. We will use virtual terminal, but for sure it works similar to the how normal RFID reader works.
Merits: the system provides more accurate identification, quick and rapid, identifies candidates in seconds, easy to use, hard to adulterate and moderates. Demerits: the system is expensive because of lot of technology goes into making it. In case of large strength of students, purchasing tax for everyone is costly. Replacing microchip, radio transceiver, antenna and battery in the system tiresome and costs money.
Hello guys, my name is Ganesh and you know about how to work radio frequency identification attendance system. So I tell you the advantage and results. It is identify the proxy attendance can be catch. It is reduce the hard copy paperwork for the attendance sheets. Data can be used store long term compare as the attendance sheets. That's full useful for the in the modern technology. So use and result that is